National alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the federal government of Oregon. At 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on January 26, 2022. The Army of the People's Republic of China has illegally invaded Australia. Due to this, we have declared war on the People's Republic of China. We will restore the freedom and rights of all Australian citizens. Long live Oregon.
National alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the government of the People's Republic of China. At 10 a.m. Beijing Standard Time on January 26, 2022. The Army of the Republic of Oregon have launched 6 nuclear weapons toward the following Chinese cities: Beijing, Shanghai, Tianjin, Chongqing, Hong Kong, and Macau. Seek shelter now. Long live the Chinese Empire.
全国警报。以下信息应中华人民共和国政府要求转发。北京时间2022年1月26日上午10点，俄勒冈共和国军队向以下中国城市发射了6枚核武器：北京、上海、天津、重庆、香港和澳门，立即寻求庇护。中华帝国万岁！